So a little bit further away from the waterfall now. You can see there are quite a few people even on a Monday. It's quite a popular place for Japanese to come to. I haven't seen another foreigner yet though. But there was also a random cat that I got some footage of. But this is Mino Waterfall. I don't know if you can hear this, but this cat has just been sitting here the whole time. She really doesn't care. She lives here. She can see this waterfall every day. She doesn't care. She's like, waterfall, what? No, I'd rather clean myself.